Want to know how to efficiently heat and cool your home? You're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of effective temperature management. We'll be exploring the significance of efficient heating and cooling and why it's an essential aspect of every home. From insulation tricks to smart home technology, we've got you covered. We've compiled the top 10 tips to help you achieve the perfect balance in your home's temperature. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we start our countdown with tip number 10. Coming in at number 10 is proper insulation. The unsung hero of a cozy home, insulation is key to maintaining a comfortable temperature all year round. Think of it as your home's thermal blanket, keeping the cold out in winter and the heat at bay in summer. From fiberglass and cellulose to spray foam, there's an insulation type for every nook and cranny. Whether it's in your walls, attic, or basement, insulation plays a crucial role in energy efficiency. So remember, don't skimp on insulation. At number 9 we have regular maintenance. Just like a car, your heating and cooling systems need routine checkups to run smoothly. Regular maintenance can catch minor issues before they turn into expensive repairs. It also ensures your systems are working at peak efficiency, which can save you money on energy bills. By simply replacing filters and scheduling yearly services, you can extend the life of your systems and improve the air quality in your home. Keep your systems in check to save money in the long run. Number 8 on our list is smart thermostat settings. Let's talk about how a simple adjustment can save you energy and money. During winter, aim for a cozy 68 degrees when you're home, and drop it down a few notches when you're away. In the summer, try to keep it around 78 degrees. Remember, the closer your indoor temperature is to the outdoor temperature, the lower your overall cooling bill will be. It's a small change, but remember, a few degrees can make a big difference. Coming in at number 7 are window treatments. These seemingly simple decor items play a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Curtains, blinds, and shades can provide insulation, blocking the summer heat and trapping warmth during winter. The right window treatment can significantly reduce your energy use. Think of light-colored, reflective blinds for summer and heavy, dark curtains for winter. Remember, it's not just about style, but also about thermal comfort. Choose window treatments that work for your home's needs. Halfway through our list at number 6 are energy-efficient appliances. These devices are a game-changer, designed to consume less energy while delivering optimum performance. They help to reduce your energy footprint, and over time, can significantly lower your heating and cooling bills. Think about it, less energy usage, same level of comfort, and more money in your pocket. It's a win-win situation. Plus, you're also doing your part to conserve our planet's resources. So invest in energy-efficient appliances for long-term savings. At number 5 we have ventilation. Ventilation is more than just a breath of fresh air. It's a key player in maintaining a cool and comfortable home environment. By allowing fresh air to circulate, you're not only lowering the temperature, but also improving the air quality, pushing out stale warm air, and welcoming in crisp cool air. Think of it as giving your home a refreshing breather. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your home's heating and cooling efficiency. Keep the air flowing for a cooler, healthier home. Number 4 on our list is the use of ceiling fans. These amazing devices do more than just provide a cool breeze on a hot day. They circulate air throughout a room, making your living space feel cooler and reducing the need for constant air conditioning. In the cooler months, you can reverse your ceiling fan's direction to push warm air down from the ceiling. So folks, it's time to switch on that ceiling fan and give your AC a break. Give your AC a break with the help of ceiling fans. Coming in at number 3 is strategic landscaping. Trees and shrubs aren't just for aesthetics, you know. They can be your home's best buddies when it comes to maintaining cool temperatures. Picture this: leafy trees casting soothing shadows over your home, creating a natural shield against the sun's heat. Shrubs too can act as insulation, keeping the cool air in and the hot air out. It's like having your very own green air conditioning system. Plan your landscaping with your home's temperature in mind. Number 2 on our countdown is ceiling leaks. Heat and cool air are like your favorite pets. They always find a way to escape. Doors, windows, and ducts are their favorite escape routes. By sealing these leaks, you're effectively putting up a no-exit sign. This small but mighty action can make a huge difference in maintaining your home's temperature. So don't let your hard-earned heat or cool air sneak out. Seal those leaks to keep your home's temperature steady. And finally, our top tip for efficient heating and cooling is smart home technology. Through the wonders of modern innovation, we can automate temperature control, adjusting it to our needs and schedules. Imagine, your home knows when you're away and optimizes energy use accordingly. Or perhaps it preheats or cools your living space just before you arrive home. Not only does this provide seamless comfort, but it also saves a significant amount of energy. Embrace technology for a more efficient home. And there you have it, the top 10 tips for efficient heating and cooling in your home. From insulation to regular maintenance, tweaking thermostat settings to window treatments, investing in energy-efficient appliances to proper ventilation, using ceiling fans to smart landscaping, sealing leaks, and finally, leveraging smart home technology. Each tip is a step towards energy efficiency and comfort. Remember, a comfortable home is an efficient home. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.